Peachtree Yacht Chapter 1. When you first open Peachtree, what you see is a number of options. Normally you will find that these are the options that come up. There are two options, either to open an existing company, you can see when we move the cursor over it highlights that, or to create a new company altogether. So what we're going to be doing to begin with is in fact to open an existing company just to look at the layout of the screen. So I'm going to click there and it pulls up a list of the companies. Now when you first open it you won't see as many companies because I've been using this for quite some time now, but you will see this one, Bellwether Garden Supply, so I'm going to open up that one for you. So I highlight it there, then I move over and click OK there. We now wait for it to open. And the normal window that you see is that for the business status. So I've just moved over to the left hand side on the navigation bar and I've opened the business status pane. I want to show you various parts of this, and here we have the Peachtree icon. This is known as the title bar. Note that in the title bar it tells you which company is open. Underneath the title bar you have the menu bar. This one shows various options, and these are what we call pull down or drop down menus. So if I click on any one of them, you can see there my options under File, move it across, my options under Edit, my options under List, and so on. So I just move over and get rid of that by clicking it again. This one is a toolbar. Usually on this toolbar you see things which refer only to the pane which is down below. So note it shows which accounting period we are in. It shows what the system date is. It asks you whether you want to make this the default page. In other words, do you want it to always open at that page? So you click on that and it will do. You can make alterations to the page by customizing it. Sometimes when you've entered transactions and they don't appear to show on the business page, you need to click refresh. And if you wish to hide all of this, you can use that. This part on the left here then is known as the navigation bar. This brings up different screens. These are the screens or windows. So you can have business status, customer and sales, vendors and purchasers, inventory, and so on. That's it. I'll move back to the business status now. So those are the main things to learn about navigation. That's the title bar there, showing the company that's open. This is the menu bar for drop-down menus. This is the toolbar for the pane that you're in at the moment, or the window you're in at the moment, and this is the navigation bar. So those will be the ones that you would see most often. So when we refer to the menu bar in future, I'm referring to this one. When we refer to the navigation bar, I'm referring to what's on the left. And if I refer to the toolbar, then I am referring to these choices here up above the main window. So that then tells you what the layout is for Peachtree when you first open a company.